Welcome everyone to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also like the video if it's actually helpful for you. So guys, I have like a sagging, headliner, and I want to redo it. So I just want to show you how to remove the headliner itself. So here we have like bolts right there. Okay, here's the light. So the light is pretty easy. You just open it from here and then disconnect it. Right here we also have this. You just open it like this and it's gonna open. Okay, and there's screws. Screws like that. Okay, and same here. This part, you open it from here. Okay, it's gonna open and then there will be a screw. So I just leave it there so I don't lose it. Okay, then you can disconnect this one as well. Just open it right here. So you open it from this side and then pull it out like that and disconnect it. Okay, and for the handle was right here. So you open this up as well and there will be a screw there. So open it from this side. Okay, you can also put this like right here and it's gonna keep it open so you can remove it. Okay, now this is like the hardest part right here. You can't like open it from here because I don't know, it just disconnects, but you might break it, so you have to open this part. Okay, so once you open this part, just be careful. Okay, and now it's open. Okay, and you have like two screws over there. Two screws. So you have to find something thin so you can get like all the way in and this whole thing will go down. Okay, so guys, you need like a screwdriver like this or the T-type, but it has to be like very small because and very thin so you can actually fit it in. So as you can see, it goes like pretty far, and then you see how the whole thing is going down. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, and now you just pull it down from here and then you would be able to pull it out. You don't have to remove this stuff. Okay, so now you can disconnect these or you can just leave it, because I do not need to do anything with this because it looks good, just needs to be cleaned. And I think I would be able to pull it out from here. Or maybe not. No. I think I'm gonna have to disconnect it. Okay, so then you open this where it says airbag. Okay. Yeah, just open it with a screwdriver. Then pull it out. And there will be a big screw like this. So you unscrew that, and then you open it like this. There will be like 2 clips right there. And then just pull it out like from the bottom like that, and you can put it away. Okay, because there is an airbag right there. Okay, so to bring this down, you have like 2 clips right there. So pretty much just pull from the bottom from both sides, and then it will like slide out from the top like this. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, now we open this up on the back. To remove this is the same thing. Okay, it's already removed. So let's open this up. It's kind of hard to get under there. There we go. Okay. Now we get this bolt out. It's pretty long as well. Okay, so this is the bolt. Now we just pull this from here. Just go gently with it, and we can just pull it out like this, and then just move it, and you can like pull out the whole thing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this bolt back in so I don't lose it. So to pull this one out, it holds like this. This goes like in there, but you have to like somehow push this button right here to pull it out. But one of mine is broken. Maybe I broke it like previously when I was changing the lights, but it's kind of hard to get this one to be loose so you can pull it out. Okay, so to remove this part, you have to start from the back. So pretty much pull it from the back, and then this will like slide out. But as you can see, I broke one. It must be like this, but somehow I broke it. I'm gonna have to glue it. So yeah, now you can go ahead and remove it. Okay, so you will have to remove bolts from here, like screws, like all the way to there, and then because they are holding the headliner from this side, from the front, but from the back, like right here, I thought maybe there were screws too, but it's only the clips that hold like really tight. So make sure you unscrew a screw like from this, from the headlight with the, from the light, from the backlight. there's another like bolt, and there's two bolts right here, one right here and the other one right there. So and from the back there's like two clips, one right here and the other one right there, and it will go down, as you can see. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.